I think that in BJP they were very cautious, but after Vinod Tawde and Dilip Jaiswal arrived, and Dilip Jaiswal is of course the BJP president of Bihar, and Vinod Tawde is the organization in charge of Bihar, and now suddenly the office has transformed. It's become a sea of saffron here, and the firecrackers are out, the sweets are out, and it's completely dominated by Nari Shakti, women who are very cognizant of their own power, and they also are telling each other that this is because of us. I also heard how they've also been talking about how this also needs to be used as an opportunity to empower them, and men are also in agreement with that. And of course, with a victory like this, it's very little is left to be analyzed, because it seems like a lot of communities have voted. And let me just get you some voices. इस victory को आप किस तरह देखती हैं?
ये विकास की जीत है, ये माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के सोच की जीत है, ये जनता की जीत है।
बोलिए भाई, हम लोग सब महिला सशक्तिकरण की जीत है, और आप देख रहे हैं कि हम महिलाओं में कितनी खुशी की बात हो रही है।
देखिए, बिहार की महिला बहुत जागरूक हो चुकी है। इसका प्रमाण है कि आज बम्पर विजयी हम लोग प्राप्त किए हैं।
हुआ है कि जात से बिहार ऊपर उठ चुका है, अब जातीयता नहीं रही। जहां यादवों का भी वोट था, वहाँ हमारी सीट पर जीत हुई है। इसलिए इस बार बिहार समृद्ध बिहार की परिकल्पना जो की थी वो कामयाब हुआ, और जनता ने हमारे पक्ष में वोट।
So clearly many reflections there. This is a celebration of all the efforts that the East Cadre has put in place in the last many months. Also, this is a call to the opposition to introspect, because clearly a lot of communities have voted for the NDA, and this is not completely unexpected. A lot of people in the BJP were talking about a sweep. Of course, a lot of us did not believe them, but clearly this is also a call for the opposition to introspect as to what really went so horribly wrong.
It's really interesting, some of this data. The fight for a story right now is about the most backward, the extremely backward caste. There were 141 such seats in Bihar. The NDA has got 117 of those seats. Mahagathbandhan manages to get just 23. Muslim seats, 39 such seats, NDA gets 29 of them. Even Yadav seats, 127 such seats, NDA manages to get 95, which basically means that there has to be, and this is something that we've discussed earlier, there has to be Shama Mohammed, people who have voted beyond their caste and community. There has to be at least some among the Muslims and the Yadavs who would have decided to vote for the NDA instead of the Mahagathbandhan.